This video is going to show you how to create and close out an invoice or over-the-counter sale. So all the invoices are held in the Service tab under Invoices and View. View holds all the previously created invoices in open or closed. If an invoice is closed, has been paid for, and cannot be changed. The open ones you can add items to and have not been paid for. You can also search by invoice number. To create a new invoice, you can go to Service, Invoices, and Create, or you can press Control-I from the home screen. Either way brings you up to the Customer tab here, where you take the customer's information and select the price level. For an invoice, you don't have to have a customer name. They can be a walk-in customer, but we're going to select a customer that's already in Winboats. If the customer that is purchasing the parts is not in Winboats, when you enter their name, you will get a Create button on the right. This will walk you through creating and getting the customer into Winboats. So when you select the customer's name, it brings over all the information with the customer. You can select their price level, and then the salesperson is whoever's logged into Winboats. You can add shipping and handling charges and comments here. Once you select Finish, you're opened up to a blank invoice where you can right-click to add item, which lets you add a part, a canned part, or miscellaneous part. Part brings up a search box for all your inventoried parts, where you can search by part number, description, or manufacturer part number. As long as you put a space between the fields, you can continue searching. Once you've found the part, select it, select the quantity, and then click OK. The part is red because it is negative in inventory. You can also add a canned part, which is a canned job that's added to an invoice, or a miscellaneous part, which allows you to add a non-inventoried part to the invoice. From an invoice, you can also barcode scan an item onto the invoice. Once you're done adding all the parts to an invoice, to cashier out and close out an invoice, right click and go to Cashier. You have to enter the payment type, the payment amount. You can enter a partial payment if you would like, but we'll enter a full payment. Any comments, and you can store some of the credit card information as well. Any previous payments on this invoice will show up at the bottom. When you're done, select OK or OK and print. So the payment shows up and they have a zero balance due. You can print by right-clicking and going to Print, or you can email. Email opens up your Outlook with the invoice attached as a PDF and the customer's email. So that's how you can create and close out an invoice in Winboats.